You know that 99% of new Etsy sellers might face failure in 2024 if the right steps are not taken seriously. It's not as simple as uploading design into Etsy and expecting magic overnight. Let's dive into the real deal, the behind the scenes secret they won't tell you on YouTube. I get that YouTube is a key source for learning about Etsy, but most Etsy content on YouTube often focuses on how easy you can use AI to generate digital products, showing you all these impressive numbers from top Etsy stores and giving off these get-rich-quick vibes on Etsy. But there are hidden sides to success most of these people are not talking about. So if you're a beginner and you want to consider yourself successful on Etsy, you might want to grab a pen to jot this down. Before you launch your first listing on Etsy, understand Etsy isn't a shortcut to instant wealth. It's not about luck, but require a well-planned strategic approach. Now, the first thing top shop owners do is by treating Etsy more like a business compared to a side hustle. With this approach, they invest more amount of money to stand out. And with millions of items on Etsy, top shop owners put good amount of money in running ads just to outsmart others. Thanks to this approach, stores with just under 200 listings can generate more revenue, even in a super competitive niche. So if you're a new seller on Etsy, success is still possible, even if you're working with a tight budget. Just know in this part, there are 5 very important tips you need to follow to increase your selling chances, and the last one should be taken seriously. Now for the first tip, before diving into selling what you're passionate about, take a moment of doing some product research. This research helps identify trending and in-demand items, increasing your chances of successful sales on Etsy. And keep an eye out for holiday or birthday products, as they tend to sparkle a high demand during the special event. The next tip is to shift your focus from chasing sales to elevating your game with top-notch products. Building a collection of high-quality products can improve your shop visibility on Etsy over time. And don't forget, investing time in keyword research before uploading your product can significantly boost its discoverability and attract organic traffic. Now, here's the best way to do this. Explore Alura, a platform that offers keyword research capabilities. The best part, you can uncover trending keywords and gain insight into your competitors' listing keywords to fine-tune your own strategy for maximum impact. Avoid turning away potential buyers by carefully setting a good price for your product. Striking the right balance is crucial, neither too cheap nor overly expensive. Adopt a smart approach by researching competitors' prices and setting the rates that are both competitive and profitable. This not only attracts budget-conscious buyers, but also position your product favorable in the market. Now, here's a crucial tip. Jump into analyzing at least 5 top-selling stores in your niche, especially those launched within the past 2 to 3 years. Analyze their product presentation, numbers of listings, and descriptions. If you're uncertain about crafting compelling description, a clever way is to copy from your competitors. Refresh their description using ChatGPT and tweaking the details to align with your product. And it's always a smart way that works all the times. Now, when it comes to shop analysis, explore Alura's shop analyzer features and gain comprehensive insight into a store, from monthly and total revenue to individual listing earnings. It's a powerful tool for understanding the performance and potential of a shop on Etsy. Now, at this point in this video, I will congratulate you on unlocking these Etsy strategies, and I have a video here for you if you're eager to uncover how to generate your first AI product. Always keep in mind that success on Etsy is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Stay patient, stay persistent, and enjoy the rewarding process of growing your Etsy business. Best of luck.